Computer science is the base, actually, all of the computing subjects. They learn networking, they learn cybersecurity, they learn all of the technology, and they can focus on one subject they like the most.
Computer science will focus more on the theory. We also cover artificial intelligence there, mobile applications, and computing tends to look at some of the more practical side of IT, such as programming and so on.
The main thing I've gained is application of my knowledge, which I appreciate the most as well. It's a lot of project work, which gives you the independence, and if you make use of it, you definitely really benefit from it.
They do have hands-on experience, so 1 hour of lecture, then 2 hours of hands-on workshops.
In career development learning, students can do internships, that's traditional placements. They can also go for certification courses, training programs, a whole host of different activities that we pre-approve for students, and all of them are approved with a view of having all of those students improve specific skills that we look at the beginning of the module.
I have been afforded the opportunity through the uni and some of my module leaders. With the work that I've delivered here, they've been like, oh, maybe you'd be good for this. Done a lot of, intern positions throughout the summer, mainly in Web3 and crypto.
We've had students this year work with American Express, Google, Santander, Royal Mail, and charities and organizations. And some of them are internal, some of them are ours that we work with. They are close partners of ours, and others are completely external.
Facilities are good. Whatever you would need, you have access to it in terms of software. If you need a laptop, you can access it here as well, or the desktops here.
There's a real cultural richness here. There's a great level of support, and you'll never feel alone.